how to reset Meetup password. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can reset Meetup password, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to open your web browser, and then once your web browser, in the search box type Meetup password reset page. Meetup password reset page. Reset page, and then click on the search icon, and so you'll be brought to the page where you will see the option forgot password. Then just click on that. Then after clicking on forgot password, you'll be brought to another page where you will see forgot password. Enter the email associated with your account, and so go ahead and enter in the email that you used to create your account. Then tick this box which says that I'm not a robot, and then click send recent link, and then a reset link will be sent to your email. And the next step is to move to the top part of the screen, click on a new tab, then the search box type Gmail inbox or email, depending on the kind of email that you're using. For me, I'm making use of Gmail. That's why I typed out Gmail inbox. And so once you're in your Gmail, you wait for it to load until where you can see your reset link sent to you by Meetup. So once you get the mail, all you need to do is to open the mail and then click on the provided link. Then you'll be redirected to a page where you can enter a new password, type your new password and confirm it. Then click submit to save your new password. And then after that, you can now use your new password to log in into your Meetup account. For now, the email has not been sent. It might take longer than expected, but just wait patiently for it. Then open it up, follow the procedures, and you'll be able to reset your password successfully on Meetup. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.